beauty has changed. Consumers now expect more. They seek performance that feels good for their skin, their hair, and the planet. That's what drives us forward. We are Innosya Cosmetic Ingredients, a French venture born from Lesaffre, inspired by micro-organisms. We explore the living to inspire the beauty of tomorrow. Our collection of bacteria and yeast unlocks endless opportunities for cosmetic innovation. By merging Lesaffre's 170-year fermentation know-how with the creativity of a passionate cosmetic team, we imagine new benefits and new emotions. Our patented ingredients deliver visible, proven results. Each benefit is backed by science, each formula inspired by nature. To support our customers, we ensure our ingredients' formulability in Paris. Our ambition: dedicate our expertise in biotechnology to magnify everyone's skin and hair. Rooted in France, crafted for every continent, our solutions care for everyone. We produce safely and sustainably wherever beauty thrives. At Innosya, we celebrate life and beauty as a living experience. Let's collaborate to create cosmetic solutions that truly matter.